Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon Pixma MX725. Now, it's quite simple. What we need to do is lift the scanner bed at the top of the printer first of all. So you just apply pressure here, and up he goes. From here, we just open the cover, which is central, marked Canon, and we just lift that up. Then the print cartridge cradle will move along to the center so we can get in there. So now, just apply pressure to the cartridge there to lift them out. You can just pop whichever replacement cartridge you have to hand back in there. Close them up, both here and the lid. Then your printer will be checking the cartridge at the top here to make sure it's 100% happy. But nothing else should be needed from you, so hopefully your printer's accepted that, and away you go. And I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.